In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Pinterest in Canva. Embedding Pinterest content directly into your Canva designs is a great way to bring in inspiration, mood boards, or visual references without constantly switching between tabs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily pull in any public Pinterest link and use it right inside your design. First, open the Canva design where you want to add your Pinterest content. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar where you normally access elements, uploads, and text. In that toolbar, locate the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its integrations and special tools, including the one we need for embedding links. After clicking on Apps, you'll see a search bar at the top or a list of available apps. In the search bar, type the word Embed. Take a moment to spell it correctly, E-M-B-E-D, so Canva can find the right app. As you type, Canva will filter the results for you. When you see the option called Embed, click on it to open that app. The Embed app lets you bring outside content into your design by using a URL. Now, switch over to your browser tab with Pinterest and copy the link you want to embed. This can be a pin, a board, or another public Pinterest page, as long as it's accessible without logging in. Once you've copied the link, head back to Canva and paste that URL into the field provided inside the Embed app. After pasting the link, follow the on-screen prompts from Canva. Usually, this involves confirming or pressing a button to add or embed the content. Canva will process the link and, after a moment, your Pinterest content should appear directly on your design canvas as an embedded element. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, move it around to position it where it looks best, and layer it with other elements just like any image or graphic in Canva. If something doesn't load correctly, double check that the link is valid and public, then try pasting it again. And that's all you need to do to embed Pinterest in Canva. Once you're happy with the placement, you can continue designing, download your project, or share it as usual.